Raleigh, North Carolina had a lot of flooding. Be careful when them floods. So there's the end of the road.
Literally.
Wow. A lot of flooding in the area.
Look at the picnic table.
There's supposed to be a beach right over there.
And a picnic table there. You want to have a picnic? Oh, look at that whole site.
Wow. That's a campsite. You can see the picnic table right over there. So about 3-4 days ago, I think it was 2 or 3 days ago, I'm not sure, they had Raleigh, North Carolina had a lot of flooding.
I think it was from that tropical storm Chantel.
That's right. It was from Tropical Storm Chantel, and it jumped, I can't remember how many inches of water in a short period of time. Well, Raleigh's up further north from here, so you can imagine everything has ended up here in Lake Jordan. And we were actually supposed to stay at the RV park on the other side of Lake Jordan, but we got an email two days ago that they were completely closed because they were underwater. But we already had 2 nights on this side of the lake, and we lucked out because we were able to get another 2 or 3 nights. I can't remember. We're here, I think we're here 4 or 5 nights, but this is why. That is amazing. How much flooding. That's the campground road that goes, there's a campsite there, and it goes right through there, and supposedly there's a beach over there, so be careful when them floods. Another look at the flooding. End of the road.
My bed. My bed.
Hey, my Ben. JJ Bailey, Tom Esmond.
Juan, send me a picture.
Where's the other two? Make room. Make room.
Big.
Big old head.
Guess we're staying in this morning. It's a little wet outside. After the gym, what are we getting? Little Smoothie King. We need Wi-Fi. Starbucks. And we're off to the next stop.
Man in his poop tank. There he is. There he is.
Gotta clean out the pooper. You always gotta clean out the pooper.
This is true.
If you don't clean out the pooper, it stinks. We don't want a stinky man. We want a clean man. Clean out the pooper. Pooper!
Too much information.
Hey, how you doing? 5.